Sir, so after ng exchange po ninyo ni Senator Marcoleta kahapon, how are things?
Well, I feel good. Kasi no, it's been quite a while and numerous times, wala naman talaga siyang ginawa kundi target ako, atakehin ako, i-badmouth ako. Eh matagal na ako nagtitimpi. Yung last week privilege speech niya, I was at the lounge. I was listening and talagang pinigil ko yung sarili ko and I asked the majority leader kasi magkasama kami doon. Sabi ko, sagutin ko pa ba ito? So, also upon his advice, and yun na rin ang feeling ko, wag na lang patulan. Pero tumira pa rin siya ng Lunes. I was in my office monitoring. So right there and then, nag-decide ako. Sabi ko, enough is enough. I have to respond. So, yun. Kaya pinuyat niya ako nung gabi kasi nag-drop ako ng speech eh. Kasama yung staff ko. Umuwi nga kami alas 12 eh, kaya mainit ang ulo ko eh.
Sir, after po ng kahapon po, tapos na po ba? Tama na si spread?
I don't know. Ako naman, I don't initiate any quarrel or any fight. But if you hit me and you insult me, I'll insult you back, and I'll hit you back. Ganun naman attitude ko eh. I never initiated any quarrel, especially with my colleagues. Ayoko eh. Problema, kung sumusobra na, eh, lahat naman tayo may elastic limit eh, di ba? Para tayo rubber band din eh. Pag dumating na sa malapit sa breaking point, ay preserve ko na yung breaking point. I will have to respond. Yun. So, marami tuloy na i-reveal tungkol sa mga shortcomings niya. Sabihin na lang natin. Ayoko sabihin kagaguhan. Pero shortcomings would be a better word. So, ang isang na-notice ko when we were researching, we tried to compare, sabi ko sa mga staff, establish a pattern. Yung kanyang pronouncements about China, about the West Philippine Sea, talagang swak na swak do sa website, official website ng Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the People's Republic of China. So what does that indicate or tell you? Di ba? So kung gano'n ang kanyang posisyon, pinaparot niya lang ba yung posisyon ng China regarding the West Philippine Sea? So yun, hindi na dapat lumabas yun eh. But hinahamon niya ako eh. So sabi ko nga, if you hit me once, pwede ako magtiis. Hit me twice, pwede pa rin. Hit me 3 times, medyo malapit na sa elastic limit yun.
So, as a former member po ng security sector, how do you find that? Is it unsettling
Well,
for a
yes,
senior
unsettling, to say the least. Because this is national security that we're talking about. Especially na medyo delikado o delicate yung situation. Parang in the advent of the Iran war, di ba? Parang iniisip ng marami baka magka-World War III. Di ba? Delikado yan. Pag nag-escalate yan at kumalat yan pa sa Pacific region, medyo kawawa naman tayo. And tayo as a very weak country militarily, huwag na nating gatungan pa o huwag nating dagdagan.